Imagine a world where your phone disappears, your laptop is gone, and all you need is a pair of glasses that show you the digital world right in front of your eyes. Sound like science fiction? Well, Apple, Samsung, and other tech giants believe this is the future of human interaction. Hi everyone, welcome to NewForTech. Today, we're diving into smart glasses, Apple's Vision Pro, Samsung XR, and the ongoing buzz around the Metaverse. Are these devices really going to change our lives, or is it all just hype? Let's find out. About 2 years ago, Apple launched the Vision Pro, and it caused a huge stir. Some people laughed, imagining users walking around the streets like cyborgs. Others called it revolutionary, saying it could replace smartphones and redefine the future of personal computing. The Vision Pro blend between augmented reality and reality, or as Apple likes to call it, spatial computing. It offered 3D interfaces, hand and eye tracking, and a completely new way to interact with digital content. Technically, it's an engineering marvel, but it also comes with limitations: a short battery life, a heavy design, and a price tag that can easily cross $3,000. So yes, it's futuristic. But does futuristic mean practical? That's where things get complicated. Let's zoom out and look at the global market. The smart glasses industry is growing fast, really fast. In 2024, it was valued at around $2 billion. By 2030, it's expected to reach more than $8 billion, with an annual growth rate of about 27%. In North America, growth is just as strong, with analysts predicting over 25% expansion each year. And the broader AR and VR market, including headsets and glasses, could reach more than $20 billion by 2025. Shipments of smart glasses doubled in 2025, driven by new releases from companies like Meta and Xiaomi. So clearly, there's a growing demand. But demand always means people are ready to replace their phones just yet. Despite all that excitement, smartphones and laptops still rule our daily lives. They're familiar, comfortable, and deeply integrated into everything we do, from work to entertainment. Switching to head-mounted devices is a big behavioral shift. Most people aren't ready to wear a headset for hours every day. Even with advanced displays, there's still the issue of comfort, battery life, and the social factor. Let's be honest, not everyone wants to look like they just stepped out of a sci-fi movie. Industry reports even suggest that while lighter, camera-based glasses are gaining traction, high-end headsets might actually see a small decline in shipments in 2025. It's a reminder that technology can move faster than society's willingness to adopt it. Now let's talk about the kind of smart glasses that are quietly winning the market. Unlike bulky mixed reality headsets, these glasses look almost identical to regular eyewear. They don't make you stand out, and that's exactly why people are buying them. Take Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, for example. They've sold well over 1 million units since their release, and production is ramping up fast. They let users take photos, record videos, make calls, listen to music, and even use AI assistants, all while looking completely normal. This subtle, fashionable approach may be the key to mass adoption. People love innovation that feels natural. And when technology disappears in something familiar, like a pair of glasses, it becomes much easier to accept. Here's the deeper question. Can technology ever replace human interaction? Think about it. If everyone started wearing devices that cover a part of their face, would we lose something essential? Human communication is built on thousands of subtle cues. Eye contact, facial expressions, gestures, even the smallest eyebrow movements. When technology hides or filters those signals, it can make interactions feel distant or artificial. That's one of the biggest challenges for mixed reality. It's not just about specs or processing power. It's about how people feel when they use it and how others perceive them. Until companies solve that human side of the equation, devices like the Vision Pro will remain impressive experiments rather than everyday tools. We can't talk about this topic without mentioning the Metaverse. A few years ago, Facebook changed its name to Meta, signaling its bet on a fully immersive virtual future. For a while, it dominated the headlines. It felt like the next revolution was right around the corner. But fast forward to today, and the metaverse still feels more like a concept than a reality. Yes, companies are building platforms, investing billions, and creating ecosystems. But for most people, it hasn't entered daily life yet. I mean, it's a failure. It just means we're still early. Innovation takes time. Every major shift, from the PC to the smartphone, started with hype, then years of slow, steady progress. The same pattern might play out here. It's worth noting that smart glasses are already making a difference in specific industries. In manufacturing, logistics, and maintenance, workers use them for hands-free access to data and instructions. In healthcare, surgeons use AR overlays during operations. In education, students are beginning to explore interactive 3D lessons. These professional applications are paving the way for consumer use. Once people see the value in one context, it becomes easier to imagine it in another. So while consumer adoption is slow, the technology is quietly proving itself in the background, in places where practicality outweighs hype. Looking forward, there are a few things that will decide how quickly these devices become part of daily life. First, battery life. If smart glasses can last a full day on a single charge, that's a game changer. Second, design and comfort. If they look and feel like regular glasses, people will wear them without hesitation. Third, price. Not everyone can afford a $2,000 headset, but a few hundred for stylish smart glasses. That's more realistic. Fourth, apps and ecosystem. Without useful, intuitive apps, even the best hardware will collect dust. And finally, privacy. Cameras and microphones built into eyewear make people nervous. Companies need to build trust before mass adoption can happen. If these challenges are solved, the shift can happen faster than we think. So, where does this all lead? The future of tech isn't about replacing reality. It's about enhancing it. We don't need to live in virtual worlds to benefit from digital ones. Smart glasses that complement real life, not replace it, might be the next big leap. Humans crave real experiences, real connections, and real expression. No matter how advanced the device, that truth doesn't change. Big tech will keep selling the future, because that's what they do best. But the real winners will be the companies that balance innovation with empathy, design with comfort, and digital with human. So, what do you think? Are smart glasses the next big thing, or just another tech bubble waiting to burst? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know your take. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NewForTech for more insights into the world of modern technology. And of course, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.